Okay, so the leg extension. This is a great exercise for training the front of your legs or your quads. The machine I've got in front of me today is called a dual machine. So that means it does leg extension and hamstring curls all in one, which is really good, but it does mean it can be a little bit more complicated to set up. These pads and levers can be in a different position every time we turn up and use the machine. So we need to know what does what and make sure we can get into the right position depending on what we're trying to do. So today I'm going to show you how to properly set up for the leg extension. So I'm going to sit on the machine. And the first thing we need to adjust is this back pad behind us. And the way we know whether we need to adjust that or not is where our legs are. So what I want is the back of your knee nice and snug to this pad here. And we can see that my knee is just a little too far forward there at the moment. It's hanging over the pad too far and none of this pad is touching the back of my knee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach round, push the lever in. You can get off the machine to do this if you want to. And I'm just going to push that pad back as far as it goes. Now for me, that is perfect. As I sit back into the seat, the back of my knees are nice and snug to this pad and I'm in the right position. Okay. This pad here in front of me for the leg extension does nothing. We don't need to move that or adjust it. We don't need this pad at all for the leg extension. This pad down here, we do need. This is the one that's going to go against our shins. Now, there's a lever over to the right here, which you can pull towards you, and then you can adjust it all the way up, all the way down, depending on where you want it. Now, for the leg extension, we want this as far forward as possible. This is going to give us the most range of motion as possible. Now, on here, there's numbers 1 to 4. We want to click this into number 4. Okay, so from there, we're in position. So we're going to sit back into the machine. We're going to hold onto the handles, which is really important. As I lift this weight up, what my body is going to want to do as I lower it back down is lift up out the seat. So as I lower the weight down with my legs, naturally my body will want to lift up out of the seat. These handles here are to stop that. So you're going to pull nice and tight onto the handles, and that's going to pull you down into the seat and keep you nice and stable, which is going to make you stronger. So when I'm ready to go, I'm going to pull down onto the handles, pulling myself into the seat. I'm going to fully extend my legs as high as I can. I'm going to stretch down as far as I can without the weight banging and back up. If we're unsure how far we can go, we can just glance over to the weights next to you so we can see them lowering down just before they touch, and we can push back up nice and steady.